peeps, this is your guy George. Welcome you back on my channel on Jamaican in Houston Wildlife Plus TV. And I have for you here a demonstration which you all will be interested in. And this is going to be the magnet test on your COVID shot. You know, when you get your COVID vaccine. And for some times ago, I have seen where somebody had posted on social media that the magnet sticks to the spot where you get your shot, right? And I decided I'm gonna try, So this is one of the world's most powerful magnet, the Neo magnet, right? Here I got a little knife. It's made from stainless steel. It's a Gerber utility knife, right? So if you notice, just want to show you that yes, it's really a magnet, right? See, that's it. So I got this magnet, and now follow me. I'm gonna be putting it down. You see where I got my band-aid right there? I got my last shot yesterday. That's my second shot, and there you go. See, my arm, it's fully vertically in position, right? It's vertical in position. It's there in a vertical position, and it sticks. Have a look close up. It's a magnet right there, and it stays. Right? Now, see, it's not going nowhere. It stays. So, I don't know if you all believe, I did have some doubts. That's the reason why I decided to do this test. But there's a little more to it, right? People, don't be tricked. Don't be fooled by some people who come onto social media trying to get views, right? Because they will do any and everything. And this is not good, especially if you believe that you're going to take the vaccine. I want you just be comfortable in yourself. Don't watch all these negative stuff that they post, because sometimes they are not true, right? But see for yourself. You're probably going to say, but George, you say don't be tricked, but at the same time it worked, right? It worked. See, that's a magnet, and that's my skin, right? And that's a COVID shot where I got my COVID shot right there. That's a band-aid right there. But guess what? This is what I think they did. I'm gonna set this magnet aside, right? All right, let me put it in this arm, right? I got a magnet right here. So watch, people, watch carefully. Under my arm, I got two more magnets, right? These magnets are so powerful that they will attract each other even through your arm, right? This is what I did first before I started the video. I put the magnet under my arm, close my arm down, right? Like that. I trapped them. Two magnets under my arm. Then this third magnet, I put it right there. It sticks. And naturally it will, because the magnets, they're so powerful that they're attracting each other through my arm, right? So that's what happened, right? Don't be fooled. All right, now I'm gonna set those two magnets aside. No, there's no magnet underneath my arm. See, there's no magnet underneath my arm. So what I'm gonna do is still have this magnet. I'm gonna put here. People, it's not staying. It's sliding off, right? See, it's not staying. See, fall to the ground. It's not sticking. So when they say, oh, see, it's not staying. So this is what happened. When they say that, okay, the magnet will stick to your skin when you do the COVID shot, it's a lie, right? Just want to share this with you. So if that's a reason why you don't want to do the COVID test or take the COVID vaccine, get your shots. Don't let nobody fool you. That part of it is not true. So I just want to let you all know, and I know that you all was interesting to see what's going on here. You all got interest to know what's really going on here, if it's gonna stick for real, right? It didn't, right? That was a trick. And I think that was the same thing that other people who post this thing up, that's what they did, right? So don't be fooled. I'm not saying that you should go take your test, take your shots, your COVID shots. I'm not telling you what to do. Feel comfortable in yourself, but I just want to share this with you that, listen to me, that magnet test is not real, right? It's not going to stick to your skin. So people, again, I'm asking you, please. Oh, you didn't hit that notification bell. You didn't share, you didn't like, right? Please go ahead and do that now, because I need other people to see this, right? So just subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, all right? Subscribe, like, share, all right? Thank you all for watching.